night, guys, is all lit up, bright,
So
shiny lights.
So it comes alive at night.
Yeah. For signs for parking.
Palazzo.
Are we going to the Palazzo too? Is that
It's all part of the complex.
Venetian! It's so cool.
There's just a few people ahead of us waiting to check in. Yikes.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So cool. There's a whole living room. This is our bed.
Yep.
Ooh, this is like the one. Wow. There's like 4 pools.
Hey guys, where are we going today?
We're going to the Hoover Dam.
What's the Hoover Dam?
I don't know. It's a giant dam.
It's a giant dam, and that's where they get all the water.
Yeah.
That's right. You're right.
You know what else it does? It makes all the electricity so they can have all these fancy lights and stuff in Las Vegas.
How? I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
Look how pretty the water is. It's that striking color, like almost Caribbean
Yes.
blue. Here's the sign. You want a picture of the sign?
Mama, we should have brought your
Look.
fan.
So this is really beautiful.
Look how low the water is. I mean, the water was clearly
Up in
way
there.
higher. Hoover Dam straight ahead.
I see it.
Yeah. Whoa, look at the canyon down there, guys. Now this is the same canyon that is the Grand Canyon. This is just before it gets crazy big.
Whoa!
Look at the dam over here. And it's holding all the water of Lake Mead behind it.
We're gonna drive on it.
Oh, I did it!
We have just entered the Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada, and it's beautiful. It looks like something out of the movie Cars. The road is just awesome riding through it, and the color in the rocks and everything. Very, very pretty. For the desert, anyway. This is just beautiful.
This is definitely worth the drive.
So we're about an hour north of Las Vegas.
I don't think this is doing it justice.
It is a massive wall of red rock. Good grief. Extreme heat danger today. It says it's 108 degrees right now.
Wow.
And have to watch for wildlife that can somehow survive out here in this desert.
Oh.
We're on Mars.
This is super cool. Take some pictures too.
Look at how cool those things are. And they just live out here in the desert, guys. How in the world can something that cool and beautiful survive out here in this desert environment? Look what Lainey Grace just found, laying up in the rocks.
That is so cool.
Oh, there is another one behind it.
That's what I was saying, you can't get it. You gotta come back.
But yeah,
Oh my gosh. There they are. There they both are. That is incredible. Oh, their horns are huge.
know,
They don't
I
call
wanna
them
take a
bighorn sheep
picture.
for nothing.
I know.
Oh my goodness, look how they just turned their head and looked at us.